Hi there, so there is a new update of our Gamma.app, which is one of the best AI tools for generating a presentation document. So with Gamma 3.0, there are some new improvements, like there is a new set of visualizations, there is Gamma API, and also there is a new theme plan, which is very useful for organizations and businesses. But the one feature that I want to talk about in this video is the new agentic feature in Gamma 3.0. So with this new feature, you can easily modify the entire document, not just one slide, but the entire document. So it can save you time, and it can also make your document looks prettier. And one aspect that makes it even more useful is this AI agent is connected to the web. So it can give you the latest information, and therefore it may be useful to fact check your document in case you want to make sure that it is matching the latest data. So I think this tool is very useful to modify a document, which is something that not yet exists on PowerPoint or Google Slides. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a document using Gamma 3.0 and how you can use the new agentic feature. So let's navigate to Gamma.app, and by the way, you can check the link in the description in case you want to create a brand new account that will give you some extra credits. Anyway, I'm going to click create new, and I'll select import from import file or URL. I have this document that was generated by Perplexity AI. It was talking about quantization in AI. It is quite a technical and long document, and I'm going to turn this PDF document into a presentation. So I'm going to click this and select the document and click open. Okay, just wait for the file to be uploaded. And I'm going to select presentation, click continue, and later you can customize a few things like the style, language, whether or not the text has to be minimal, detailed, or concise, and some other settings that you can customize based on your needs. But in this case, I'll just skip it and I'll just click generate. So this process might take several minutes depending on the length of the document and the number of cards. So I don't want to waste your time, and I'll just skip forward and show you after the document is completed, and I'm going to show you how you can open the agentic feature. Okay, so the document, the presentation has been generated. It looks decent, but perhaps one thing that I can notice right away is there is too many text in each slide of this presentation. So I want to make it more concise, and I'm going to be using the agent feature. So to do that, just click agent right here. And by the way, this feature is available for all users, even if you're using the free version of Gamma. So I'm actually using the free version, and I can still access this agent feature. Now, if you want to see some inspirations, you can click quick edits, and there are some examples that you can use to modify the document. Now, here, I'm going to tell AI to please make this presentation to be more concise. Okay, send the message. And by the way, I was using a third-party tool called Whisperflow. You can check that in the description. And basically that tool is installed on my computer, and it is able to convert my voice into text, which is very useful for doing work or collaboration with AI. So if you're interested, you can check the affiliate link in the description. Anyway, it is editing the document. It will edit not just one card or one slide, but the whole document. Again, not just one slide, but the entirety of the document. So you can save time with this agentic feature. And one thing that I like is that if you don't like the modified version, you can always switch back to the original version. So you can see which one do you think look the best, and you can always go back. So there's always a way to restore to the previous version of the document. So that's pretty amazing. Now, as you can see, it is actually more concise than the original version, and that's actually a good thing because that's exactly the thing that I want to change or improve on the document. Now, I'll do one more thing, and this time around, you can see that there are many different structures on each slide, and I want to convert them to just use bullet points, which is just a radical change. And again, the AI agent can do that. So let me tell AI agent to please make every single slide to be presented using a bullet list format. Okay, send a message, and you'll see that it can do that. So that's actually really amazing. And you can imagine that something that usually take hours to complete, but now with this AI agent feature, it can be done in just a few minutes or even a few seconds, depending on the editing complexity. And yeah, that's really amazing. And by the way, it is still in beta, so it's not going to be perfect. And I have found some glitch and bugs, but even in this current state, I think it's still very, very useful. Okay, there you go. We got this. And yeah, this is the original, and this is the bullet point version. As you can see, now it is using bullet points, and it's not looking perfect, but we can keep telling it how to change something, modify something in the document to make it look more perfect. But as you can see, now on every single slide, it is utilizing or featuring a bullet list. So yeah, that's basically some examples. Again, you can click this button to see some inspirations that you could apply to your presentation. And if you're done with the editing, you can click share, and then you can download or share the document in various formats. So that's how you can use the agentic feature in Gamma.app. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.